Hey, greetings from Texas. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. I don't drink hot chocolate that often, but for this special occasion, I'll show you one way I do it. We have 1 cup of whole milk. Like I said, I don't drink hot chocolate that often, so I'm going to use whole milk. I'm going to use 1 Hershey bar. We're going to cut that up into little segments, just to kind of kick it up a notch. A little bit of, we'll do a splash of vanilla and some freshly ground nutmeg. So let's cut up our Hershey bar. And this will help it melt quicker. And what we're going to do is we're going to heat the milk and the chocolate up very slowly at the same time. If you add this cold chocolate to hot milk or vice versa, it'll just coagulate, and we want to melt together fairly smoothly. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and do our nutmeg. About that much. Okay, we have a small saucepan. Let's add our cup of milk. And again, we're going to bring this all up to temperature all together. Now we're going to bring this up to medium-low heat. Now you don't want to heat this up too hot and scald the milk. Pasteurization occurs above 155 degrees. What I would recommend is not, just kind of keep it under 180 degrees. And while you're doing that, constantly stir. Now, if you want to add a different flavor profile, you could take something like this, Ghirardelli peppermint bar, throw that in there, or you can, if you have peppermint oil, food grade essential oil, whatever you want, you can make it however you want to do it. So we are on number 4, and you can see it's getting darker in color. Now, I don't like mine super rich. I just like a nice, good, solid chocolatey flavor, but you could add more chocolate if you wish, or you can add cocoa powder, but I like it this way. Okay, here we are after a few minutes. Now, everything's all incorporated. If you bring it up slowly, you won't have any lumps. Let's check our temperature. I'm kicking it up to medium heat. We want to get it up above. All right, let's check the temperature. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call it. And don't let it go above that. It's hot enough to keep you warm, and we're not burning or scalding anything, and we have no lumps. All right, so here we go. Let's get our hot chocolate in there. Nice and warm. All right, folks, that's just perfect. It's the right amount of chocolate. So good with that nutmeg. It tastes perfect, just like I think it tastes better than the mixes you get. And it's not that hard. Just be patient. Don't heat it up too fast. All right, folks, I wish you a very Merry Christmas. Appreciate you stopping by. We're getting ready to head down to southern Texas to meet up with some other YouTubers on the 27th. So I'm making a big batch of chili tomorrow. Anyway, have a great and safe and most importantly healthy weekend. Cheers.